Hi there. I am Mrs. Genoso, a physics teacher here at North Star High School, and this is why you should take physics. So first of all, students often come to me expressing that they feel nervous about taking physics. Rest assured that grade 11 physics is designed to bring you through all the steps in order to get you to university. And it's not as scary as you might think. It will definitely bridge gaps from grade 10 into grade 11 with your math skills. But definitely we'll walk you through it. Jobs in physics, I get this question quite often, and it's really hard to kind of nail down a specific job, as taking physics really opens up so many doors and enables you to problem solve in a very, very different way from any other courses. So really, I've heard students having jobs in, of course, there's the obvious, like engineering, medical physics, physics in general, even business, teaching. So many doors open taking physics because of the problem-solving skills that you learn that are so unique to physics. So what I find interesting about physics, fascinating really, is just the world that we live in, and you can actually study it using calculations, and it really makes sense. You know, you need to be honest, you need to be strong in math, you really do. But in grade 11, we can develop these skills to make you even better and really try to train you to think in this particular way that will help you in your future problem-solving skills. Now, if you're not convinced, here are a few students who have lived to tell the tale.
I took physics because I wanted to go into engineering in the future, specifically mechanical engineering.
I took physics in grade 11 and grade 12. The reason why I took it is because it was needed for my university. I'm going into neuroscience at Windsor, as well as it was a good grade booster. If you put in the work, you got a high mark.
Well, first of all, physics is great because of the teacher, Miss Donoso. She's nice and also really helpful. I also like the lab she does, and you get to learn about some cool stuff like how gravity works.
I love the physics class because of the teacher, Miss Donoso, and her fun personality, and I also love all the labs you do within the classroom.
The most difficult part of physics was definitely the first 2 weeks in grade 11. I really had no idea what I was doing. But then it got easier as I went on. I would say to study a lot until you finally understand the concept.
My experience within physics was pretty difficult at the beginning with the unit of kinematics because I've never learned the topics before, but as I went through the semester and got to the electricity unit with the wiring, I have a bit of a background in it, so it's a bit easier for me to do. And then as I got into the grade 12 semester, it was super easy just because I learned the topics beforehand.
I'd say if you're off-put about taking physics, just try it. You might not be able to take another physics course again, and it's going through these difficult challenges that you become a better student and learner.
I would tell everybody to take the class for sure and stick through the first 2 weeks. The first 2 weeks is the worst part and usually when most people drop out. If you stay past that, the class becomes easy, and if you put in the work, you get a good grade.
Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in 3U Physics sometime soon.